I'm a business development consultant in the health and wellness sector, and one of the clients I work with is Radiant Heart. They are a lifestyle and longevity practice that teaches people how to retrain their gut, brain, metabolism, and nervous system using personalized and comprehensive approaches to achieve long-term and sustainable health success. So what I mean by comprehensive and personalized approaches is that we take the time to get to know you, your health history, your environment, your goals, your challenges, and your why, and then we come up with a personalized strategy that suits your unique lifestyle. In addition, we also work with companies who really do care about the health and well-being of their employees because we're able to create customized workshops and do interactive presentations that contribute to workplace wellness in addition to strengthening employee retention. I love working with Radiant Heart because their health, morals, and values fully align with mine, therefore I could be my true authentic self, and they also believe in taking a personalized approach to helping their clients overcome their health challenges or to further optimize their well-being. And we also like creating strategic partnerships with practitioners in different health modalities. Examples of practitioners are naturopaths, nurse practitioners, chiropractors, physical therapists, mental wellness coaches, mental health coaches, acupuncturists, and even fitness instructors. As long as they believe in taking a personalized approach to helping their clients, those are the types of people we would love to create more strategic partnerships with. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me or about Radiant Heart, feel free to click on the link within my bio or click on the link within the video description.